Hi, I'm Ray. We've done the allotment today. Sunday, bit of a grey day, bit of a chill in the air. We'll have a tidy up of the allotment garden. First of all, having a look at the sunflowers. And now the seeds are ready to be harvested and they've already been taken by the birds. We're going to clean up all the sunflowers. We're going to save some and give some to the birds. So with the recent winds that we've had, a lot of the sunflowers on the allotment plot have been blown over, which is a shame because they were pretty torn, some of them, but that's the way it goes. So with just a couple of sunflower heads, we managed to gain quite a few seeds, and this is the big head variety, and these are the small stemmed with a black centre, and just 2 heads gives so many seeds. So next to come out is the rainbow sweetcorn. As we can see by this cob, it's been eaten by critters. So we've saved a couple of cobs and we'll show you the results. These are coming out now and they've got quite a big old root to these, but it's time they will come out. So the 3 cobs that we did manage to save, this one got slightly eaten, but this one's turned out to be pure red, which is one of the red stemmed sweet corn. And the second we got was this one, which has just got a few cobs of corn and very colourful, but this one's never grown complete. And then we got our third one that we can reveal to have all the colours, which is pretty good. That's really clever. So we'll be saving some of these and regrow a lot more for next year. That's quite interesting. So we're in the Polytunnel and we're having a look at the tomatoes. Now they're pretty much done and the blight has arrived in the Polytunnel and the tomatoes are green, but they're pretty much done now. The old tomato still around, but not many more now. So the tomatoes have lasted quite long in this polytunnel, right until middle of October, but now the old blight has come and now it's time for these to come out and we can get the autumn crops growing. So this year the cucumbers have been pretty good and they're still coming through now. We're still getting plenty of cucumbers and they're pretty good. So one of my favourite parts of the polytunnel was this pumpkin arch. I wasn't quite sure how it's going to work in the polytunnel, but it's actually come up with a few pumpkins and they're not very big, but they're pumpkins and they're homegrown and they're just starting to turn yellow, so really good. So I'm really pleased with the tunnel, but it's all starting to die down a bit now. Now I can actually walk through the tunnel, which is quite amazing. So I'm really pleased with this pumpkin, and it's growing from the arch and it's just suspended on its own vine, but it's looking really good. There's pumpkins growing absolutely everywhere, all over the place. And another one here, really good. And they're hanging from the sunflower stalk, so I better leave that in at the moment. So we managed to clear the sweetcorn and now we've got a massive new bed ready for planting. The tiles at the top are going to be a path that comes all the way down. And look at these dahlias, they're pretty good. Coming to an end now. We've still got a few buds going, and the cosmos needs deadheading. So we gave the old pond a bit of a tidy, and my daughter's excitement that we actually found a frog. We thought they've all disappeared. Didn't think anything of the frogs were coming. I wasn't quite sure why, but we just found a frog. And to our excitement, she had to video it. So I'll show you the video.
He's so cute, Daddy. Daddy. He's thinking about going to the little hide.
So we managed a few hours tidying up the plot. We've took down some of the old sunflowers. We've had a bit of a go. We made a right old mess with the sunflowers and the sweetcorn, but we've had a bit of fun. We're going to leave the rest of the sweetcorn and the sunflowers out for the birds. So the 3-tiered compost bins wasn't quite supposed to end up like that, as my neighbour's dumped all his sunflowers to dry before we can burn them in the old burners. All those sunflowers are now attracting the birds, and they're feeding from all the seeds too, which is a mega bonus. So we'll have a look at the parsnips we did in the container, and these were in individual pots, 1 or 2 seeds per pot. I'll add a link above to show you how we did these, and well, they've grown. They're not massive, but they've grown. And I'll also give you a quick update of the leeks. These are not doing too bad, and I've moved these onto the plot as the pumpkin was taking over from the alleyway. So this new bed has given us so much more space, and we can grow some more crops for next year, all outside the polytunnel. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. So thank you very much. Cheers.